Trollmaster manufactures the world's leading remote throttle control for gas-powered auxiliary outboard engines. The Trollmaster system allows the angler to adjust trolling speeds with precision, which is often the key to catching various species including salmon, trout, and walleyes, to name a few. Once there is a fish on, use the idle feature to pause your trolling speed in order to bring the fish in. Once landed, you can then resume back to your exact trolling speed. The Trollmaster comes in 3 models built to match various applications. The Trollmaster Pro allows the operator to control his boat speed with a dial and lets you recreate exact speeds with the idle function. The Pro 2 model adds 10 times the micro adjustments in speed control versus the original Pro version, and also allows for momentary bursts of full throttle for quickly adjusting your heading. The Pro 3 model gives you all of the same features as the Pro 2 while adding the ability to steer your kicker engine with the same remote working in conjunction with a Panther Electro Steer unit. All models feature a 20-foot cable, a water-resistant control with LCD display that can be handheld or easily mounted to your console. The Trollmaster system is designed to fit auxiliary gas-powered kicker engines, including Mercury, Yamaha, and most other brands. Trolling speed is often the difference between a tough day or a tournament winning day. My Trollmaster makes achieving precision trolling speeds routine, and it lets me concentrate on catching more fish. I can't imagine fishing without a Trollmaster.